Hi guys, Miss Allen here. I'm so excited. This week, one of your choice board options was to take a recipe and double it. And then we're going to take that recipe and half it. But I'm going to focus on the double part today. And instead of a cooking recipe, this is so cool. I was scrolling through my phone the other day, and this kid made his own lava lamp just out of things you find around the house. So I dug through my closet. I have everything it takes, and we are going to double this recipe and hopefully double the fun. So I've got my clear glass here. See that? That's going to be my lava lamp. I've got water. I've got vegetable oil. I've got food dye. I have my measuring cup, of course. And you know, Miss Allen got some stomach ulcers, so of course I have my Alka-Seltzer. All right, so this recipe calls for 1/3 of a cup of water, 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil, and then we're going to drop an Alka-Seltzer in there, see what happens, okay? I'm going to kind of move my screen down so you guys can see the actual business that's taking place, okay? All right. So the recipe calls for 1/3 of a cup, but we're doubling it, so that would be 2/3 of a cup of water. I have a funnel here, so I don't make too big of a mess. If you decide to do this at home, make sure you've got your table covered in some kind of towel or something. All right, so there are my 2/3 a cup of water, okay, and the same amount of vegetable oil. So we're going to fill this up twice, not once, but twice, because we're doubling it. There we go. You see how that oil and water does not mix? All right. Okay, so I've got my water in there. I've got my oil in there. Now, I have to color my water, and I am going to choose blue for bulldogs. Okay. It said to drop 2 or 3 drops in here, so we're going to double it, and we're going to put 6 drops in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. We're going to let that kind of sink down to the bottom. Just for fun, let's add a couple more. Okay. Now I'm supposed to drop 1 Alka-Seltzer in here, but since we're doubling this recipe, I am going to drop 2 in. Okay. Whoops, one's already kind of busted on me. All right. So I'm going to drop 1 and 2 in there. Now we wait. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see what's happening? How neat. So that looks like a lava lamp. Oh my goodness, look at all those bubbles coming up. Well, that is so neat. It's going to fizz a little. But it still looks like a lava lamp. How neat. Well, that was fun. We'll have to do something like this again. If you decide to do this project on your own, please take a video or take pictures and send it to me. I would love to see it. So, double the recipe, double the fun. All right, guys, have a great day. Take care of yourself and each other. I'll talk to you soon.